Hey guys, what's up? We're going to be making another slime video. This is my first video. Ooh, I'm not sure if I want to play with this. This is cool. No, I'm not going to really play with that. Oh my gosh, everything's happening today. Let me get this stuff out. I'm not going to be doing a slime video today. All we're going to be doing is just talking about how to hack on Okay guys, this is going to be really bad, but I feel like it would be